Hello everyone, this video is going to introduce how to set camera share to the DJI Pro on the DJI Pilot. The first step, we need to mount the camera on DJI drones. After mounting the camera, and you will hearing camera beep. After that, you can open the DJI Pilot. We tap the pilot and we tap the mission flight. Then tap create a route and mapping. Tap the screen to create a mapping area and select the custom camera button. The first time to use, we need to add a camera. Now type the camera name. Here we type the share to the DJI Pro V2. And the photo size is 7952 x 5304. And the sensor size. The sensor size is 35.9 x 24. Next is the focal length. The focal length is 14. And we set the interval is 1.3 seconds. Now select the camera. And we select the photo mode to distance interval shot. Altitude usually depends on the GSD you need. You can see the GSD turn to 1.7. The takeoff speed and the speed we usually set as 10. Advanced settings. Please select the overlap based on your demand, and the marking we usually set the same with altitude. Now, please check the RTK state, and we usually use network RTK.